when I was just a little girl.
Today is our musical pans video, and I was supposed to post it today. I will post my video, and this is a Pantastic Ladies collab. I will link them below. Maybe not today though. And I will link all the other people doing this project. Maybe not today though. I'm just trying to get the video done. I did this video a couple of days ago and I deleted it. So this is a year-long rolling project pan from January 16th to December 16th. And I'm really excited to do this with a theater background like I have. It's like, musicals, love them. So this is hashtag panning musicals. And the creator was Jennifer. And I'm doing Heather's because Heather's is amazing. So first of all, I'm going to do Heather's for most of the year, probably, if not all the year, because it's Heather's. Okay. First of all, there's Heather Chandler, who always wore red, and that is, I'm using the Dr. Dennis Gross Alpha Beta Extra Strength Daily Peel. There's 3 of them in here. It's a 2-step process, but there's 3 of them in here. I always like to get a sample of skincare before I put it on my face. I had incidents with Tatcha this morning, and my skin got very, very angry and red. So, and I've never had a problem with Tatcha before, but I did this morning. So, I'm going to try this, and whenever you have a daily peel, you need sunscreen. So for Heather McNamara, who always wore yellow, I am using the Supergoop Unseen Sunscreen with an SPF of 40. I don't care what is going on. When you do a peel the night before, the next morning you always use a sunscreen. Or your skin will just peel off your face, but whatever. Anyways, then there was Heather Duke, who always wore green. And for that, I am using the Origins Mega Mushroom Relief and Resilience Soothing Treatment Lotion. There you go. It's kind of like a moisturizing toner. I've been using it. I don't know how I really feel about it, to tell you the truth. Okay, there are 3 treatments in here. This is 12 grams. This is 44 grams. Now, for Veronica, she always wore blue. And Rimmel discontinued my favorite foundation. So I am attempting to try a different Rimmel, and there are windows in here. It was a bigger window earlier, but I guess I shook it up. It was like a really big window. I'm trying the Rimmel Match Perfection 24-Hour Moisture Pore Blurring Effect SPF 20. We're going to try. I weighed this with this because this doesn't have a pump, so I put it in the airless pump. You can get these off of Amazon. I will link those down below as well. So here you go. That is a total of 169 grams together. Okay, so I'm really excited to do this, and I hope you are too, and good luck to everyone else who's doing this, because when it's a year-long rolling pan like this, you can get so much done. So hit like, hit subscribe, and I'll see you next time.